Imagine this, a student from a small village in India, topper of their school, dreams of becoming a doctor, and that's a good thing. But the moment they enter an MBBS classroom, they suddenly feel like they have landed in another country. New campus, new faces, and one more thing, a language they can't fully understand. Even the smartest students find themselves asking, did I make a mistake of choosing this profession? Why can't I study medicine in the language I think in? The language I dream in. Today we dive deep into a real story from Chhattisgarh, where the government tried to introduce MBBS in Hindi and almost nobody signed up. But the big question is not about Chhattisgarh. The bigger question is about you, me, and the millions of students. Should MBBS be taught in the language you are most comfortable in, or will it create more problems than solution? Let's find out in today's video. Last year on Hindi Divas, the Chief Minister announced something huge. For the first time, MBBS will be taught in Hindi. Textbooks started being prepared, teachers were instructed, and the administration geared up to launch a new track. It sounded like a revolution until admission started. Out of thousands, not even a single student opted for Hindi-medium MBBS batch this year. Last year, only 2 or 3 students showed up interest, far too few to even start a class. Why? Official pointed out something interesting. This is not an issue of eligibility, it's an issue of willingness. Even though 70% of admitted students come from Hindi-speaking backgrounds, almost no one wants to study medicine in Hindi. Why? Let's understand the reality inside medical colleges. Medical science has a language of its own, and unfortunately most of it is English. Try translating a word like myocardial infarction in Hindi, it becomes Hriday Ghat. Complicated hai na thoda? Sounds complicated, right? Exactly. Students themselves say we can understand the English medical term faster than the long Hindi translation. Teachers are also comfortable with English because all international research and postgraduate exams are in English. Even officials admit that those who complete MBBS in Hindi might face major hurdles in PG, which is entirely in English. So the fear is not just about passing MBBS, it's about your future specialization, your residency, and your career. But there is another side of the story. Imagine a student who has never studied in English all their life. Every page, every diagram, every lecture feels like decoding a foreign script. We lose brilliant minds not because they are stupid, but because they are forced to operate in a language they were never trained in. Parents ask, if Japan, Russia, Germany, China can teach medicine in their own language, why can't India? That's a valid question. Countries like Japan and Germany teach medical courses in their national languages and are still global leaders in healthcare. The real problem is not Hindi versus English, it's something deeper. India has 22 official languages and hundreds of regional languages. So which one should medical education adapt to? If we start teaching MBBS in Hindi, students from Tamil Nadu may say, why not Tamil? Students from West Bengal may say, why not Bengali? And students from Kashmir may say, why not Kashmiri? If we go down this road, we need 22 versions of medical textbooks, 22 branches of teachers, and 22 examination patterns. And suddenly, a student from one state may not be eligible for PG in another. This could divide the nation's medical education system. Students want 3 basic things: a language they can understand, education that prepares them for real hospitals, a fair chance at PG, and global opportunities. So now I want to ask you a simple question. Should students be allowed to study MBBS in the language they are most comfortable in, or would that isolate them from a global world of medicine? Is English necessary because medical science is global, or is it just a colonial hangover? Should India invest in multilingual medical education or strengthen English foundation instead? Let's start this conversation. Students, teachers, doctors, parents, comment what you think. I want to know your opinion. Because the future of medical education in India cannot be decided by politicians alone. It must be shaped by the students who will carry the stethoscopes and save lives.